We are going to see a simple demo of how to install MongoDB on OS X. It's very simple because the documentation is very clear. It's clearly explained in this page. There are two ways to install MongoDB in Mac. Either you can do it directly on Mac or you can go with a package management system like Homebrew. I prefer the second one, that is to use Homebrew for installing and managing MongoDB. So I'll be demonstrating that. As you can see here in the documentation page, the MongoDB installation has only two steps, that is to give a brew update and a brew install MongoDB. That's it. So these two steps will get you MongoDB in your system. To up and running, you need to use a brew services start command. So we are going to install MongoDB Community Edition with Homebrew. Homebrew is easy. If you haven't installed, it won't take more than 10 minutes to bring it up. It gives you a lot of comfort and it is one of the well-known and must-to-have softwares for Mac. I have already installed Homebrew in my machine. Let me give a brew update now. Done successfully. Now I'm just going to issue the command brew install MongoDB. Will automatically locate the resource and install the MongoDB on my local Mac machine. This must not take more than 2 to 5 minutes. Done successfully. As you can see here, how to launch MongoDB is mentioned here. Brew services start MongoDB. Let us see the services list. Brew services list. Yes, MongoDB is stopped and Redis is running in my machine. Let me start MongoDB using brew services start MongoDB command. Successfully started. Let me do a services list again. Yes, as you can see, MongoDB is in started status now. So Mongo Booster is up. I have connected to my local host 27017. I'll be creating a test database and a user profile collection. Done. Under this collection, I'm going to insert some records. So I'll be using insert method for that. Successfully inserted. Let me view the documents. Yes, we have the document. To stop MongoDB, it's very easy. You just need to issue brew services stop MongoDB. Let me do that. Done successfully. Now if we see the brew services list, MongoDB must be in stopped status. Yes, it is in stopped status now. So just remember these 4 simple commands: brew update, brew install MongoDB, brew services start MongoDB, and brew services stop MongoDB. And if needed, you may use this command also, that is brew services list, which will give you the list of services running.